So this hour, we're giving you a look at some of our most powerful but easy tools to use to make getting those household chores done easily. We're going to be featuring for you our Polti GO. And I helped to launch this here at HSN with my next guest, Lou Caputo. Lou is one of our home experts, and we are here to give you a chance to be able to see this. When we talk about the power of portable steam.
Yes.
Looks like you're into it already.
I am into you know what? I love cleaning with steam. This is my go-to now. I don't use chemicals in my house anymore. I do it all with steam. You want to pick it up? Pick it up. That's the unit right there.
Look at how
nice.
thick that is.
First of all, this is made by Polti, the people that actually invented steam cleaning.
Yeah.
Franco Polti, the president of the company, literally was the first person to even conceive of using steam to clean around your house. Yeah, he was. They call him the godfather of steam.
Wow, what a title.
Yeah. So this is the unit right here. This is the Polti GO. Now this is loaded with accessories that you're going to get with this little guy right here. Don't be deceived by the size on this, okay? You wear this on your shoulder. It has wheels on the bottom, so you can roll it around. It's awesome. Or you can carry it by the handle right here. You fill it with water right here on the front. Okay, and that is actually a proprietary design on that cap. Once that's on there and it's under pressure, it won't come off.
Okay.
Okay. This little guy has on the bottom right here, I want to show you just some of these features. Watch, this is the coolest thing. You see it's got the wheels, right? So you can roll it around. Watch this, though. All of my tools are stored in the bottom. And look what you're getting. You get nylon brushes, you get brass brushes, you get a squeegee, you get all sorts of concentrating tips and things. So you are literally loaded for bear here, ready to go and clean the entire house. Now I'm going to put this back in the base right here, and I want to show you the steam pressure that comes out of this. Okay, we've got a nice block of ice in front of us right here. That's probably about an inch and a half thick. Okay, watch what happens and how quickly that Polti GO blows holes in that. Now the reason that it gets through there so quickly is that steam is coming out at 280 degrees and over 50 psi, pounds per square inch. Marlo, that's more pressure than I have in the tires on my truck. Okay, so we're talking about a lot of force, but to show you how that works, let me show you a demonstration here on the floor. Okay, now watch how easy this is to change your attachments. I'm just going to press a little button right here. I'm going to pull this piece off just like that. Then I'm going to take my floor attachment, and all I have to do is stick that in there, and you hear it click into place.
Yes.
It's that simple to do. Now, all of this is going to come with it. You see what we've got right here is 3 long tubes, extensions that fit on the end of this.
I'm already loving this.
Yeah, I'm going to put this little guy on the floor with me. These extensions are lined with an aluminum tube, so it keeps the steam hot as it goes down there. You get the terry cloth piece that's on the end of this. I want you to see, look at the steam that's coming off that. Look at the way it's cleaning that floor. Now, hardwood floors are tricky, okay? You know that because you can't use a lot of moisture on a hardwood floor. But the Polti gives you just enough to not only clean your floor, but sanitize it. You could literally eat off of this floor when we're done with it. Yeah, because 15 seconds of steam applied to any surface is going to help sanitize that floor and get rid of things like E. coli, staph, salmonella, and other viruses and bacteria. And that, you know, that's from 15 seconds. So I would actually spend a little more time on this than I am right now, but I want you to see the difference. Look how shiny it is.
I know.
Look how gorgeous it is. And here's the best part. When you walk on this, there's not going to be any residue. It's not going to attract any more dirt.
That's what I like about it.
None of that weird stuff is going to happen.
I want to take a moment to invite you to shop. We have very, very limited supply on our steam cleaner. And if you haven't had an opportunity to steam clean your home, I do hope that you'll take advantage of this value. When we talk about this being the top tier brand name, it's portable, it's lightweight, it comes with all the accessories. It is an HSN exclusive. And as I look at this, I've been presenting steam cleaners at HSN for more than 15 years.
Yeah.
Do you remember the big...
I do.
The tanks used to be huge.
Yeah. No, this isn't that anymore.
And they were double the price.
Oh, yeah.
Not only is the price so much more affordable, but it offers you a beautiful chance to be able to clean your home chemically free.
Just using
now,
steam.
we talk about getting a really effective clean.
Yeah.
I mean, this cleans like nobody's business.
Well, they have an expression in Europe, and that is that it's not clean until it's Polti clean, okay? So that'll tell you something about the effectiveness. Now, notice the attachment I just put on the end of this. This is our little grout brush. This is a really cool design. It has bristles that go down the front. Let me get out of the... all right, well, we'll figure that out. Look at the way the steam comes out of it. You can see the force of that.
Look at that steam.
Yeah, watch this. Let's go down this little piece right here. Now, we've got some really nice, expensive glass tiles on here. I'm just going to go down between the grout lines on this, and it literally goes into the grout lines. We all know grout is porous, so you pay a lot of money to get a particular color of grout. By the time that you have cleaned it a few times, it starts changing colors. Now watch this. I'm going to dry that off a little bit, and I want you to see Look at the difference between here and the edges. Look at the difference in the color of the grout in there. And that's just with steam. That's not without a single chemical going on there.
I got to remind everybody, free shipping and handling, the flex pay on this is less than $38. And that is only through tomorrow while supplies last.
Right.
I had an estimate for one of the big companies to come out.
Come in and clean it? How much?
Over $100.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
All right.
So it depends on the square footage of your home.
Sure.
But when you think about what you're paying for this and how you're going to be able to use it on the grout,
all around the house,
wallpaper,
indoors,
in the kitchen,
outdoors, everywhere. Take a look at this.
Grill. This
mirrors.
Is beautiful.
Yeah, look at your mirrors. Okay, you get fingerprints, you get toothpaste, you get all kinds of things on them. I'm going to put this attachment on here. This is our little Squeegee Cleaner. When I pull the trigger, you see all that steam come shooting out of that right there. Watch this when I go down to the glass. One pass on the glass. Boom. Nice. Just like that. Look how clean that is in just seconds. And it's already dry here because of that squeegee right on the end.
I got a question to ask you. Because, like I said, I've presented a lot of steam cleaners. And this one seems to have, like...
a lot of power?
A lot of power.
Let me show you why.
Some of them are, I hate to say, a little wimpy with the steam.
No, it's a good question.
This really blasts out the steam.
Here's why. Most of your steamers that are going to be on the market are going to have this inside of it. It's called a heat exchanger, okay? The water passes through this tube right here, and when it comes out the end, it heats up as it goes along, okay? Look at that right there. See that white? That's a calcium deposit right there. This unit is already ruined. Now, here's what's in your Polti. Take a look at that. That is a aluminum boiler that's inside of this. So the difference is this, the water just passes through a tube. With this, the water actually boils and it causes pressure to build up inside of this. So when you're steam cleaning, you need three things. You need heat, you need moisture, you need pressure. With the Polti, you get all three. With most other units on the market in this price point, you don't get that. Okay, that's the big difference. For instance, what about this? What about your shower stalls? What about your, dividers in your bathroom? You get calcium stains, you get lime deposits, you get all those things on it. Watch the way I'm going to do this. I'm going to do kind of quickly, but first thing I'm going to do is from a distance, I'm going to let the moisture from the steam start to soften the dirt that's on there. I'm going to get a little closer. Now I'm going to let the heat from that start to melt it down. It's actually emulsifying the dirt, the calcium, the lime, and everything. Now watch this. Final pass right here. This is the pressure pass. Watch this. Boom. Just like that. Now, we did that without chemicals. We did that without any smell in the bathroom, without choking, no scrubbing. Boom. What you saw me do it in just a couple seconds. Look how, and already dry and clean.
If you want those results, then go ahead and reserve yours. Today's the best day to do it with the free shipping and the flex pay. We always give you a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. The Polti name here at HSN is the most prestigious and high-end name when it comes to steam cleaning. We went from mirrors to glass to your grout to your tile. Let's go into the kitchen.
Take a look at this. Cutting boards right here. These could be a nightmare. Wood cutting boards because they're porous. So if you cut chicken on this, ham, anything like that, all the blood and everything drains inside of it. Watch what I'm going to do. And you could scrub this for hours. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Polti GO and I'm just going to go back and forth. Now remember what I said earlier. If you put 15 seconds of steam, superheated steam on any surface, what is it going to do? It's going to help neutralize staph, E. coli, salmonella, other viruses and bacteria. All right, there. Take a look at this. Now, that looks pretty good. Watch what happens when I wipe this down. Look at the difference right there, Marlo. Can you see that? And that's because the steam is actually getting down inside of the wood. Now, other areas in the kitchen you want to clean. I'm going to take this brush head off of here real quick. If your drain's a little stinky, watch this. I can put this down the drain. There's enough pressure. Look what's coming out the other side. I mean, literally, a mountain of steam is coming out over there. What am I doing? I'm sanitizing and deodorizing the drain all at the same time. You can't do that with your household cleaning products. How about this? What are the other areas in the kitchen? I'm going to put this little concentrator tip on here. They all just lock in by turning it. Look at the way the steam comes out of that. Take a look right here at under your fixtures, okay? You want to hit the underside of your fixtures because you get the mold.
Lives there.
Yep, and the mildew. Now, I'm just going to stop for a second. Look at what's coming out of there. Can you see that? All coming from underneath the fixture. Now, if you've got a sink, I have a sink in my house that's one of those kind that's under the counter sinks, you know what I'm talking about, where it's set in there. You would be amazed at the funky stuff that grows in that in just a few weeks.
I tell you what, just with that crevice, I mean, to be able to get that blast of steam,
get in there,
to release all that stuff that builds up over the years, that's worth it alone.
Oh, yeah.
I should mention, really quickly, Lou, all of the accessories are housed on the unit.
In the bottom of the unit itself.
So I know it looks like he's this magic guy that has all of these tools that he's pulling from every which way but loose, but they're all housed beneath it. So as you go along and you're cleaning, whatever tool you'll need is going to be right there,
Yep.
right on board with you. Sell out quantities. It is an exclusive value. And look, you're having a good time.
I love cleaning with this thing. All right, what about this? Glass top stoves. They always try to sell you all kinds of crazy stuff.
Yeah.
This is actually for taking wallpaper off the walls. It's a little spatula. When I pull the trigger, look at all the steam that comes out of that. But for glass surfaces like this, if you've got a baked-on mess, look at the way I can not only steam it, I can scrape it at the same... Look at the stuff coming up off of this. I mean, it's literally pushing this off. I'm going to stop for a second just so you can see what I just did. Look at all the pieces that it just pulled off there. And if I wipe that down, look at the difference. So if you've had burnt-on messes on your glass-top stove and you're scratching your head going like, I don't know what I'm going to do, this is the way you want to clean that. How about this? If I take that tip off, remember the piece that we used to clean the shower stall just a moment ago? Same thing, but we've got this little terry cloth bonnet that fits on it. I'm going to hit the backsplash with that. If you cook a lot of fried foods, bacon, fish, anything like that, watch what happens here. Now, that doesn't look too horribly bad, but look at this. Look at the difference. Look at what that took off of there, Marla. It's kind of gross, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
But that's the kind of dirt that the Polti's going to find. Speaking of finding dirt, come with me to the bathroom real quick, because I want to show you something. Now, this toilet does not look horribly bad, okay? But if I take a black light and hit this on there, okay, this is something we call glow germ. They use this in hospitals to check for sanitary conditions. If I turn that off, looks not too bad. Turn it on, look at the stuff that's on there. Watch this. I'm going to hit that spot for 15 seconds with that superheated steam. And what are we doing? We're sanitizing, we're deodorizing, we're neutralizing the staph, the salmonella, the E. coli that quickly, just 15 seconds. Look at the amount of steam. Marlo, I feel like I'm getting a sauna over here. Unbelievable. I'm going to wipe this down now, okay? Make sure that's nice and dry. Now, take a look at this with the black light again. That's the part I did on the top right there. Don't really see much up there, but let's go down to the bottom. Look at the difference, Marlo. Somebody's aim is incredibly bad. But look at the top right here. Very clean.
Yeah.
And that's the power of Polti.
No chemicals.
No chemicals.
So that's the big benefit, is that this is chemical free. This is going to definitely sell out. We'll have this offer available for you through tomorrow. You can see the caster wheels at the bottom. So I know that Lou is using the strap, but you don't have to.
No, you can roll it.
You get the floor attachment, by the way. So it is a whole house system from top to bottoms, from your window seals to taking this outside and
Absolutely.
steaming those wonderful barbecue.
The barbecue grill, the wheels on your car, the windshield, the inside windows, anything you want to do. Steam is an amazing cleaner. It works on virtually. I love that for the tracks.
Too.
I'm going to show you something with that in about 2 seconds. But watch this. Toothbrushes, okay? The dirtiest thing in your bathroom, your toothbrush. It really is. Hit it with the steam. Get rid of those viruses, the bacteria that's on there. Make your toothbrush last a little bit longer. Very easy to do. All the chrome fixtures in your bathroom. Hit those with the steam. Get all that grunge and all that grime off. Let me give that a quick wipe right there. Take a look what just came off of that. Now, Marlo, you were talking about the tracks. We were looking at that shot of the tracks out there on your sliding doors. Same thing in the bathroom. You got those sliders for your doors in the bathtub.
Right.
Hit that every once in a while, because what happens is the soap scum builds up in there, the shampoo, the conditioner, all the stuff you put on your body to make you look good and smell good. It winds up in the track. Watch this. I'm going to drag that down there. Wait till you see what comes off of this. Boom.
Oh,
look
boy.
at that, right?
Jeez.
You don't want that in your bathroom.
No,
now,
not
take a
at
look at the rest of this thing's a mess. I'm going to go over here in the corner, Chris. Take a look at this. Chris is our cameraman, by the way.
Well, if you're in the,
right here in the corner.
cleaning business, this is great to have. It's going to save you a lot of money.
Okay, watch this. Look at the difference. Wow. Do you
Look
see
at how
what we
it
just did right there?
releases all the filth.
Isn't that
all
amazing?
All the grease, all the dirt, all the grime.
Chrome fixtures up here. Look at the way this works. Gets in there. Gets places where you just can't get with a regular cleaner. Plus, you know, Marlo, the bathroom is the smallest room in the house. Using the Polti in there, no chemicals, no smell. Look at that. Gorgeous.
Lou, I want to have the cameras come over here. Just I just want to show everyone as we wrap up our presentation, you get the entire system.
You do.
So everything from the floor attachment to the towels to all those individual accessories, everything comes along with it. Make a note of the item number, because there's free shipping and the 4 credit card payments of $37.49 in tomorrow night. All right, but you still have a chance to grab it. Last show for Lou today.
It is.
For being here.
My pleasure.
We're going to wrap up the presentation, but more great ideas coming up right after.